Hello, students. Today we have a special autopsy examination. This officer, Mr. Butcher, suffered from bullet in brain disease and fell out a window. On-site officers said it was completely an accident. Nothing special happened here. Yep.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Papers, Please. But before we begin, a word from today's sponsor, Raid Shadow.
Well, don't just stand there. Toss him over.
And that should be it. Everything has been removed. That is the end of the film. I hope you all took
Hello everybody, this is Butcher, obviously. You guys made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to give a quick speech. I really do not want to come back to TCU, you know. I think that I've been here for 4 months. I think I've done my part, and I've really helped. And I think, you know, it's time to move on. And, you know, I'm going to miss you guys, but this time I'll move on to my other things, like Napoleonic Wars, Spain. You guys enjoying? See Discord.gg/Spain, see it on Lisbon. My bad for the little sponsorship or promotion, but whatever. Anyways, I'd just like to give a shout out to Eek Meep, Rix, Crew Faded, Bose, No Lord for really helping me out and just bringing me up to this. Like, I wouldn't be here without them, especially Rix and Bose. I wouldn't be here without them. Thank you guys for the opportunities that you've given me, but the release time that I move on. Thank you guys for all the memories. My DMs are open. You guys can send me anything, you know, maybe our memories together, or you know, other things, art, I don't know, just anything. Doesn't matter, my DMs are open as always. Anyways, I thank you guys for everything that you have done, and I think that it's time for me to move on. Right? I really do wish you guys all the best of luck in your TCU careers. Hope you guys make it, and you know, who knows? You know, some of you guys might become generals, officers, but you know, we'll see. Maybe when next OA opens. Just grind, man. Grind. That's the advice I gotta give you guys. Just grind. Anyways. Goodbye. This is Butcher, signing off. Till next time, guys.